Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: game updated, DLC present, and questline unlocked. Once done, head to the hub and trigger the Explorer quest by finishing the transmitter objective. This opens the mission node. Next, gather the required items: one glowing relic, the Explorer sigil, and a reliable 3-level weapon so you can solve environmental hazards. Make sure to save at the nearest bench, because you will enter a hazardous zone immediately, so don't respawn without your items. You now move through the ruin, map orientation visually and mark north, south, east, west points, because the puzzle uses relative rotation. Once inside, find and activate the 3 consoles in the required order. The Explorer sigil reveals hidden switches, so keep it equipped. Then focus on the light beam alignment, rotate mirrors carefully, and set the timing delays. Use a half-second delay on 2 specific nodes to sync beams. If an alignment fails, step back and resequence the consoles before retrying. You reach the finale by placing the glowing relic on the central pedestal. Listen for an audio cue that confirms the mechanism engaged. Once the pedestal activates, be ready. Guardian enemies spawn and must be defeated fast, so use your best crowd control abilities and prioritize the biggest threat. After clearing them, open the chest to claim the Explorer Remnant. If the pedestal animation stalls or the item fails to appear, reload the area or relogin to clear the common sync bug, then repeat place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.